Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn what is the difference between comments and notes in Excel. So here this is my data. The cell which is highlighting with purple color is showing my comment, and here in my comment it is showing my name, the date and time on which comment is given, and the cell reference, that is D12 cell in which comment is given. And here the cell which is highlighting with red color is showing my note. That is, here I have given a note, that is check quantity. So now first of all understand how to give notes to your data. So for giving note to any of your cell in your data, put the cursor in any cell in which you want to give your note, and then you can go to review tab, and from here you can select new note, and you can also right click on it, and from here you can select new note, and you can also use a shortcut key, that is Alt R T N, for giving notes to your data. So these are the three ways of providing notes to your data. And now you can give any note here. So this is how we can give notes to our data. And if you don't want this name before your note, then you can remove it. Right click of mouse, and from here you can edit note, and you can remove the name from here. And the another way of providing notes to your data is with the help of Shift and F2 key. Press Shift and F2 key, and here you can give a note to your data. And now here this name is by default showing in every note, and if you want to change or replace this name with another name to be shown in all of your notes, then you can change it. So for this, press a shortcut key, that is Alt F-T, and here in username you can change the name from here, which would be shown in all of your notes, and then press OK. And if you want to delete a particular note, then simply put the cursor on that note and right click on it, and from here you can select delete note. Now my note is deleted from my data. And now if you want to show all of your notes, then again go to review tab, and from here you can select show all notes. So these are all the notes which are given in my data. And if you want to hide, then again go to notes, and from here again click on show all notes. Then all the notes will be hidden. And from here you can select previous note or next note or show or hide note. And this type of notes is same as comments which are in Excel 2019 or earlier versions. And now in Office 365 there is a new type of comment which we will see in this video. Now if you want to give a comment to your price, then again go to review tab, and from here you can select new comment, and you can also use a shortcut key, that is Alt R C, to give a comment, and right click on that particular cell, and from here you can select new comment. And now here you can give any comment to any of your cell, and now you need to click on this post button so that your comment will be posted. So here in my comment it is showing my name, the cell on which I have given my comment, and the date and time on which I have given this comment. And there is also an option to edit your comment. If you click on edit, then you can make some changes in your comment, and then again click on save, and the comment is showing with a purple mark on that particular cell, and notes are showing with a red mark on that particular cell. And if you go to review tab, and from here you can select show comments, and here all the comments will be shown in a single pane, so that you can easily check the comments of all the cells. And you can also select previous comment, next comment from here. And if you want to delete any comment, you can click on delete, or you can also right click on it, and then from here you can select delete comment. So the basic difference between comment and note is that with the help of comment you can have a conversation with other persons, because there is a reply button in comments, so that if you ask any question, to any person, then that particular person will reply you the answer in a comment. In case of notes, there is no option to comment on it. It's like making notes of your data. But in comments, you can ask questions and have a two-way conversations with other person. And if your query is resolved, then you can click on these three dots, and from here you can select resolve thread. And now if you again see that comment, then here it is showing that your query is resolved and there is no need for conversation here. And if you again reopen your thread, then again you can comment or reply here. So these are some of the advantages of using comments. And now if you want to copy and paste your comment or note into another cell, like I want to copy this note, simply click on Ctrl C and put the cursor on another cell in which you want your same comment or note. Now I will go to Home tab, and from here I will use Paste Special. And from here you can just simply check on comment and notes and press OK. So here my note is copied to another cell, and same if you want to comment, and if you want to copy your comment also, then you can follow the steps in the same way. And now if you want to format your notes, like if you want to change the background color of your note, then first of all right click on it and select edit comment. And from here if you right click on it, then there is the option of format comment. So this dialog box is giving me only the font tab. So if you want to make some changes in your notes, so you need to put your cursor here at the bottom and right click on it and then go to format comment. And from here you can go to color and lines and you can choose any background color from here. So here the background color is changed. So if you want to make some changes in your notes, then you can do it like this. Now if you want to print your comments or notes, so first of all go to page layout, and from here you can select print titles. And in comments and notes area, there are two options: at the end of sheet and as displayed on sheet. If you select none, whether your comment is showing on the sheet or not, it won't print any of your comment or your note. And if I select as displayed on sheet and press OK, so here as you can see that the note which is showing in my data is in my print preview and rest of the notes are not showing because I have selected as displayed on sheet. Now if I again go to page layout, and from here if I select at the end of sheet, now simply click on print preview. So here as you can see that all the comments are showing at the end of my sheet. Now if you want to add some pictures or icons in your notes, then you can also add it like this. Here I have a data of some customers and their order IDs, and I want to add the picture of all the customers as a note in my data. Like here I have added a picture of my customer in my notes. So for adding a picture in your notes, simply right click and select new note and remove the name from here, and again put the cursor at the end of your note and right click on it and select format comment and select color and lines from here. Now select fill effect, and from here select pictures. Now select the picture from your PC and press insert and click on insert. So this is my picture and click on OK. Now make some changes in the height and width of your picture. So this is how you can add pictures in your notes. And now if you want to add any kind of icon in your notes, then you can also add it by doing the same process. Simply select new note. Now again go to format comment, select fill effects, and from here select picture and select your icon and press OK. So this is how you can insert any kind of icon in your data. So you can format your notes and add pictures or icons in your notes, but you can't do all these things in your comments. Comment is basically used for a conversation with another people, and in notes you can make any kind of notes, and you can also add some icons or pictures in it. So these are some of the basic differences of using comment on notes. Hope you will like this video, and thank you for watching.